Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will cover the 6 Forex market participants. Remember, this is where I break down Forex and crypto trading terminology word by word to help you on your journey. You can look forward to clearly defined and clearly explained terms. Now, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on what's next. Don't forget to give this video a like to let me and the algorithm know you enjoy my content. And as always, if you're here, you're interested, so let's get into it. There are 6 Forex market participants. So, commercial banks, central banks, large corporations, investment and hedge funds, Forex brokers, and individuals like you and I. So, let me go ahead and break down all 6 of those for you in a clear and concise way. Okay, so let's start with commercial banks. They carry the main volume for the Forex market. They do a lot of things that make the market move. Then we have central banks. They provide financial services to the government and the commercial banks of their countries. So they pretty much fund the first type. Then we have large corporations who engage in foreign economic activity. They use Forex to exchange national currencies into foreign currencies, conduct short-term deposits, and hedge their future deals. Then we have investment and hedge funds who carry foreign assets, invest and place investors' funds into different domestic and foreign securities. Then we have our Forex brokers, who are agents that bring buyers and sellers together to carry out transactions on platforms like MT4, which I know a lot of you are MT4 traders. And then lastly, we have individuals, and those are just people who are in like non-commercial operations of currency exchange. For example, electronically transferring money, currency exchange while visiting foreign countries, and just people like you and I in general who want to do what the banks do in our own MT4 accounts. So, do me a favor, comment below, let me know if this gives you a better understanding of who the market participants are and what they do. Do me a favor also, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what terms you need. That way I can get that content out to you sooner rather than later. And as always, don't forget to look out for new content. I have updated the posting schedule, you guys. So every Tuesday evening, we're going to have a Tuesday tidbit for our video vocabulary series. I'm bringing back 101 Wednesdays where we're going to have some chart time. That's going to be bi-weekly. And then every Friday, we're going to do PDFs, which is Personal Development Fridays. So we'll be bringing back the personal development content. That is the only form of content that's going to be around 25 minutes. So that you guys can get all that info. But again, as always, I hope you guys are having an absolutely amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to let me know if you guys like the new music. I just had it done.